Hello everyone, this is Abhishek Mishra and this is your day 17 related to Python basic. And today we discuss about the advanced topic related to data visualization. We will use same data set which we use in the last class, the property dealing data set. So first of all, I have connect with server, then I need to connect with drive. So yes, we have connected. Then I need to import those dependencies because NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and so on. Those four libraries I'm going to use. Then I need to import the data set, but unfortunately we don't have the column name in this data, right? So we need to put all those columns. Let's wait for a few seconds so I will get the data set because the data set is very large. That's why it takes some time. We don't have the column name, so we need to put the columns. So yes, those are my columns and those filters I need to use. We have already solved the fourth problem in the last class. So we move with this fourth problem. The fourth problem is that we need to check the average house price for different property type in July. We need to check the average house price for different property type in the month of July. So first of all, I need to make a filter. I want only the July data, right? Then I can use because we don't have month column na, that's fine. Okay, now we have only July data. This is my July data, right? Now it is asking ki you need to check the house price for each different property type, right? At that time you need to use group by function. So we need to implement this group by function on this property type and aggregate function price on your price data set, like average price on price data set. df dot group by, then you need to mention this property type and then the average of price. Price dot mean. Dot mean. And when I execute this cell, see, this is the average price. Instead of mean, you can use max, min, sum, count, average, those things you can use. Now, I need to convert this into a plot. How I can do that? Simple. Dot plot kind equal to bar, because I want to create a bar plot only. Bar color is equals to SNS dot, right, then PLT dot title, okay, let me run this cell. Yeah, so this is my plot. So guys, this was my plot, but let me adjust the height and width. PLT dot figure size, figure, and I want 9 and 10 ratio. 9 and 4, and done. This is my plot. See, now my plot is looking good. So the highest average price is with D property type, then F, then S, and last में we have this T property type. So the average, the very like minimum average price with T and the highest average price D property type. Okay. Next we discuss about box plot. So basically we use this box plot for checking ki do we have outliers in our data set or not. First of all, we discuss ki what is outlier. Let's suppose we have salary column. We have salary data set where we have 10k, 11k, again we have 10k, 12k, and 11k, and then we have a person who's having this 20,000 rupees. Let's suppose those are salaries of some employees: 10k, 11k, 10k, 12k, 11k, and this 20k. Right? Let me convert this into data frame. Let me create a box plot. So yes, this is my box plot. Now if you notice, so this is my lower whisker, this is my upper whisker, and this is my outlier. So in box plot, I just simply using plt.box and then I'm putting the salary. So this circle is your outlier. So what is outlier? Outlier, like those are your outlier which is very far from your majority data set. Those are your outliers. So this 20 is your outlier in this data set, right? Same, let me check with my data set df of this price dot plot kind equal to box. So in this price column we have lot of outliers. See, we have so many outliers. So we use this box plot for checking the outliers, and also we can check this is upper whisker, or you can say 75 percentile, 25 percentile, right? Those things. Guys, next we discuss about histogram plot. But before moving with this histogram plot, we need to use one more data set, and that will be data set related to a kind of dating app. So this is my data set. This is my data set, right? Then I need to df1 is equals to pd dot read underscore csv. Then I'm putting this path. Okay, I'm getting this utf8. So guys, whenever you get this kind of error utf8, so that time you need to use encoding is equals to unicode underscore escape, like that. Encoding is equals to unicode underscore escape. When I execute this cell, see, this is my data set. We have total 195 columns. So this is having approximate 9,59,003 rows and 16 columns. Not df, I need to check df1. 8,378 rows and 195 columns we have. We have 195 columns. So we have lot of columns, right? Because we want to check the histogram plot. We want to check this histogram plot. So for this histogram plot, I am using only age column. Basically, this histogram plot will give you the details, the majority of the data point. Basically, this will give you the value of your data set. Like it will give you the distribution of the data set. Plot kind equal to, you can use hist, right? So we can use this hist. Let me run this cell. So this is your histogram plot. Here you can say the age available in this data set, like majority age is available from 21 to 28, right? So this is the distribution plot, or you can say this is your histogram plot available in this age column. So using this distribution plot, you can check the data distribution of your column, right? Okay. Once we complete this histogram plot, we will move to this correlation plot. So before understanding this correlation plot, we need to understand why correlation is important. What is correlation? So correlation means when your one column is increasing, simultaneously your second column is also increasing, just like your graph. If the weather is hot, the demand of sunscreen will increase and the demand of ice cream will also increase, right? If the weather is hot, the demand of sunscreen will increase and the demand of ice cream will also increase. Same, let me give you a few other examples. If the demand of air condition increase, so what do you think? The demand of cold drink will increase or decrease? Definitely it will increase, because both are having positive correlation. Positive correlation means when your one column is increasing, same your second column is also increasing. That will be your positive correlation. What is your negative correlation? If your one column is increasing and the second column is decreasing, that will be your negative correlation. And the zero correlation means there is no relation between column 1 and column 2, right? So there are only three type of correlation: positive correlation, negative correlation, and zero correlation. To understand about correlation, we need to use only few columns from this dating app dataset, right? So I want to deal with this gender, shopping, gaming, concert, and music column. Df1 of gender, shopping, gaming, concert, and music, right? I'm using only those columns because we have 195 columns, so it will take lot of time and lot of effort. So that's why I'm keeping only important columns for checking the correlation. So to check about correlation, we need to use k dot corr. Once you use the corr, it will give you the correlation, but this is in numbers. Let me convert this into plot. SNS dot heat map, then I'm putting this corr, and anot is equals to true. Why I'm putting this anot is equals to true? To put the number inside that box. I'm putting all those values inside this box, and then I'm using this cmap. Cmap means changing the color. Plt dot figure size, and here also I'm putting this 4:9. This is my plot, right? Now you guys need to tell me the highly positive correlation. Which columns are having highly positive correlation? See, diagonals will always be 1 because gender is having, like, gender is 100% correlated with gender. Then this shopping is again 100% correlated. This gaming with gaming 100% correlated. Concert with concert 100% correlated, and music with music 100% correlated, right? Apart from those columns, which column is having highly positive correlation? Concert with music. See, 0.66. Achha, let me use this color. Let me change this color. I don't think this this CMap like this blue color is looking good. Now this is looking good. Like the positive correlation with red color and negative with blue color, right? So yes, concert is having positive correlation with music. It is positive, not highly positive correlation. And the correlation will start from -1 to +1. Okay. And what is the reason behind this? Why this concert is having positive correlation with music? Because whenever you have concert, music will be there. That's why. One column is increasing, same your second column is also increasing, so that will be your positive correlation, right? Yes. So guys, this was all about your data visualization advanced. So we discussed few advanced topic, like we discuss about some kind of group by function, right? We discuss about some group by function. Then we discuss about box plot. We use this box plot for checking do we have outlier or not. Then we discuss about histogram plot. So basically histogram plot will give you the distribution of your data set. And this correlation plot, correlation will give you the relationship between your features, or you can say between your columns, or the like all those values like columns. Okay, so guys, this is all about your data visualization advanced. In the next class we discuss about some kind of data wrangling steps. So till then, bye bye, take care everyone.